Good morning, guys. Well, I haven't done an XRP video for a while, but despite despite long trades completely dropping out of the market, which I'll go over a metric to show you guys, the last few days here, XRP is doing amazing. Bitcoin is actually, moving down right now in the last few candles. We've got XRP moving up. We've got Ethereum over here crashing down as well. And we've got XRP coming out of nowhere kind of here and actually leading the way for the bullishness. And it's the it's the only green metric this entire morning on all of the coins that we're tracking, basically the top 10 here. So let's go over XRP and let's see what's going on with this. And I'll show you guys what my thoughts are. I do believe there is going to be a drop in XRP very soon, and it could be happening today. So we'll go over that. All right. Current update for us. We are currently 91 for 91 wins. Guys, it has been a blast working with you over email, doing coaching calls. Guys, this is so much fun to finally see some of you guys be like, I'm finally profitable. I'm not losing trades anymore. It's fun. Okay. I will show you guys in the second half of this video how to get into these entries and how you guys can stay consistently profitable, quote unquote. We've never lost a trade in here ever. So I'll show you guys how to get into there. Great. Let's just dive in here. I believe there's a drop coming for XRP. I don't want to just come on here and be like, oh, this is so exciting, we're just going to keep going to the moon. No, that's not this channel. We'll assess both sides. How about that? We'll keep it even. Right now, if you guys take a look at the trend dashboard, we have majority of retail traders looking at their basic indicators, RSI, Stochastic, MACD, and it's looking bullish, okay? Even their 50 moving average and their 100 and 200-day moving averages are bullish and bearish here, okay? So it's kind of a flip-flop right now. I believe this is going to get people caught on the wrong side of the market. While we have retail traders buying, obviously, because we have green candles in here, we're in an uptrend. What I believe should be happening here, if you guys have not done already, is setting up your buy limits, because I think we could be due for a drop. Here's why I say that. We were able to predict the last drop in the crypto market with these two indicators here I don't want to say easily, but what we do is we simply watch when the trend exhaustion pushes up into the top red section, the candle closes here, as well as when well money flow is high. This is where we do not buy. We are selling our long trades, and we're setting up buy limits for crashes in the market, okay? If we come back over here and we look at the previous times this has happened on XRP, when we've pushed up into the top red section, again, guys, this is so simple. When the trend exhaustion pushes in the top red section, as well as when the well money flow is high, this is when we are looking for drops back down in the market, okay? Previous time before that, we saw this move up here. We ended up seeing we got a little bit of a shot back up. We couldn't head any higher, and then we started seeing moves back down. Previous time before that was this guy over here, as well as the well money flow, and we started to see this move down. Tried to overextend itself, and we actually ended up getting a crash. So one more time over here, I'll show this to you so we're not, just looking at this the whole time. But the point is, guys, these are the two most accurate indicators you can get. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, possibly the sixth time this will call. 5 times in a row. I do believe what you guys are going to see here is as this pushes up into the top red section, and this definitely could happen today, like absolutely happen today, watch for a drop back down in XRP, okay? We're currently sitting at 89 cents, and I would be watching for this to start moving back down here. It's happened 5 times in a row. Arguably maybe 6 times you can call this move over here when we got up in the top section and we started to see it move down. The last 5, 6 times, we have seen this positively drop the price, positively correlated to our indicators to show that they are calling drops before they happen. That is why these are some of the most powerful indicators you guys can get. Get them in the description. They really are 81% off right now, okay? Not going to turn this into a marketing sales video, but watch that. This is how we are winning our trades over here, guys. I get a lot of questions. Travis, how are you winning all these trades? It is risk management, it's the metrics, and it's the indicators to help us predict the market moves. Like literally, I don't like this like people are like, do you have a crystal ball? Like no, we don't have that. But these indicators in here are what's called leading indicators, and they'll help show us what could happen in the future before it happens, like a prophecy, kind of, if you will, like if that makes sense to some of you guys. Okay. Are they going to be wrong sometimes? Yes, they're about 75 to 80% right. But sometimes in here, they're more, okay? I just don't want to be the guy that comes out here and says, our indicators are 95 to 100% correct. Like, yeah, right. Like, nothing's 100%. Nothing's 95%. Arguably, hardly any indicator in the market's 90%. I've coded these for a living for TradingView.com customers. I've coded hundreds. I'll be honest with you guys. I'm not going to just like pull your chain on this channel. These are 75 to 80% accurate. And when they are accurate, like the last 5 times, we can use these to help benefit us, and we are going to be doing very well. That's why we're not losing trades. All right, let's dive straight into the metrics now for Ripple, because I want to update you guys on this. 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, this is going to update. So here's where we're sitting. Ripple is in the anxious section. The reason for this is because it's been so ridiculous of how far this market is actually headed down. People who gotten up in these market, structures up here, who FOMO'd in, thought we're going to the moon, everybody's holding. Guys, we're holding on this channel as well. I'm not trying to make fun of people who are holding. Guys, we're in a holding pattern as well, but we're doing pretty good because of our buy limits. We're no longer in with people who bought up here, and we're not really in with people who bought here. We actually have our buy entry down a little bit further because we had our break-even entry hit here. All right. So we're actually not doing too bad. And XRP, out of all the coins that have been dropping a lot, is actually probably going to be one of the coins that actually gets into the profit faster than maybe even Doge or ADA. So I want to come out and cover this for you guys. With all that said, please watch the indicators. Get these on your charts so you can watch the drop, because I do believe we're going to see a drop in Ripple here, and it could happen today. Take a look at this. Long trades have completely moved out of the market. Price moving down, long trades are like, we are getting out of the way right around this area, and they've been dropping ever since then. Now, here's something interesting. Long trades are dropping out, which tells me that there's not confidence that we're going to keep heading up too much. If there was confidence, long trades would enter into the market. But why? Because long trades entering the market shows that people are buying the dip. Now we're starting to move up here, but I don't see confidence of people buying the dip. Why? Because clearly from a blockchain perspective, this has actually been moving down here the last couple of days and flattening out. With that said, something interesting that can happen here is we also see short trades moving out of the market. Short trades moving out actually tells me that short traders think the market's going to go back up. If they thought it was going to go down, what would happen with short trades? Short trades would increase, betting on the market going down. So it's this tug of war action right now. Whenever you guys see this happen where both are going in the same direction, going down or going up, that means there's indecision in the market. Okay, move down here with me. Looking at long versus short trade risk, it really is in the neutral section. And this makes sense because, we're not crashing, we're not pumping, we are sitting in the middle of this channel right here where people are like, are we going to go long? Are we going to go short? The best thing to do is set up buy limits and make sure you guys are getting in here so you can get triggered into your first buy limit on here. And if we go up, you make money. If we go down, you have great risk management to help protect you guys' accounts. And if we hit more buy limits, that's more money in your accounts, and you guys will make more money when we break the break-even spot, okay? It really is the best strategy to use. Take a look at this. Well, institutional smart money. What's been happening here? Long trades have been acquired by the Wells Institutional Smart Money when this drop came out. Long trades completely dropped out of the market when we started moving back up here. But what's been happening is when we started moving back down for XRP, a lot of people sold, obviously, because it went down. Guys, when a market sells off, I know I say this a lot, but it's clear that a lot of people aren't doing this because the market actually moves down. And this is not all short trades, okay? This is far more the majority of emotions having people sell because they think we're going to zero. That really is what's causing this. This is not majority short trades. I want to say that again. This is selling pressure. It is people who are just terrified that they're losing on their positions. It's people who bought up in these areas up here, said, man, if we break this structure support again, I got to sell out because I can't endure any more losses in my account. And their thought is, I'm going to buy lower at a lower price. So they say, forget this. I'm bailing out of my long trades, and they sell. Guys, what we're doing, we always buy this dip. I injected $50,000 to buy this dip down here to end up riding this back up, and we're not doing too bad, okay? I'm trying to put all my money where my mouth is, and just everything I preach, I'm doing with you guys, okay? And we've been very successful over here. Support resistance prices. Where can we head if we start seeing XRP really pump up? It's going to be $1.03. And if we start heading down, the next support is 75 cents. So let's take a look at this. $1.03 is right at the structure high. 75 cents is right around here at our third buy limit. So if I were to argue between which one we're going to hit first, either maybe let's call it $1 or 75 cents, a stronghold number or a strong quarters theory number, 25, 50, 75, based off the indicators over here, we are looking more bearish than we are bullish. And if I had to argue a position and had to take a side here, I would say we have more proof here that the market's actually going to look to move back down closer to 75 cents than it is going to be pumping back up to $1 in the next few days. Definitely before, Saturday and Sunday. So that is my call on XRP. Let's take a look at a few more of these, and I'll show you guys how to get into our next trade so you never have to miss a setup. Take a look at this. Dollar cost average entries here. You guys are wanting to watch this because this is going to show you guys great entries. Basically, for your holders, diamond hand holders. I had a question yesterday. What's a diamond hand holder? It's a great question. Some people don't know. This basically means people like to put money into the market, and they believe the long-term scope of cryptocurrency is that a lot of these coins are just going to keep going up. Guys, yes, that may happen. I think that's the best way to approach that. Yes, that may happen. A lot of people thought we were going, McAfee and all those guys, thought we were going to $150,000 in 2016 and 17, and it never happened. People thought that's what was going to happen on this last run. I even came out and I covered literal articles saying Ethereum's going to go, it's going to double before the end of the year. Bitcoin's going to go up and it's going to hit 90, 150,000. It never happened, and we actually crashed. So guys, am I bullish on cryptocurrency overall? I am. Okay, I am bullish, but there's no guarantee that crypto is just going to keep going up. Okay, even though there's limited market caps and there's burn of coins, I totally understand that. I've seen many tokens that say they're burning coins that ended up pretty much crashing out, being a Ponzi scheme, and it pretty much just completely crash people's account. How do I know this? I've had family members in those type of coins, okay? Not smart. I never trade those coins, guys, and I'm always trading the top coins that have good projects behind them and they've got great potential. I only trade coins that have good projects and have great potential, in my opinion. Okay, I got to put that out there, guys. This crypto market is not guaranteed to go up. Okay, look at this. It is not guaranteed to go up. You guys think it's always going to be going up. That's why you have to have risk management, because it's not guaranteed to just keep going up. Okay, all right. Although it can, it's not guaranteed. Check your emotions. This is showing us that we are coming out with a sell sign here, basically saying, hey, if you've got money in the market, look for a possible drop, because this is where we could start seeing drops back down. And so I definitely keep an eye on this for XRP. Let's get you guys into the next trades. You guys know that we actually ended up adding EOS yesterday for metrics as well as live trades. A huge request. You guys are like, oh, there's a spot over here. Yeah, there is. I'm going to be looking to add one more coin to our metrics here, and I might do a video about that later today, so make sure you guys watch out for that. Okay, pricing. Here's what it is, guys. It's the cheapest membership you guys will ever get to trade at this accuracy. Hands down, I'm not even going to argue that. This is institutional grade. We have millionaires trading here. We've had institutions trading here. We have a lot of money in our channel, okay? It's because we haven't lost trades, and people understand that if you have good risk management and you have good indicators and metrics, this is where you can put a lot more of your money and feel safe putting your money in these places, because we are being very conservative and we're also not losing any trades. Big money over here in these accounts. Let me say this, $49 a month is where we're at currently. I am going to be looking to up this price, guys, very soon within the Q1 of next year. We're hiring on more employees because we're exploding over here, because people are seeing the accuracy and they want to start making money with us. This $49 a month is going to give you access to all of these metrics. Okay, it is also going to give you guys access to the live trades. This is where you guys have to be in order to set up all your trades for the wins that we're taking. Okay, follow me here. Bitcoin live trading is what you guys want to click. Obviously, today we're talking about Ripple. So you guys want to click into here. Literally just click Ripple live trading like I'm going to click Bitcoin right now. Okay. This is what you guys are going to do. And if you guys have already seen this, you guys can stop the video now and you guys can keep trading and use the buy limits when they update at 8 a.m. Those of you who are new, here's how you trade with us. Every single one of our coins are going to look exactly like this. You are going to see price action in white, and you're going to see 4 yellow lines, which are your 4 buy limits, and 1 green line, which is a sell limit. Okay. Here's what you guys are going to do. You're going to take your trade allotment or your trade allocation. Let's say it's $1,000, for example. Split the amount of money you want to trade each of our coins with and split it into 4 equal portions. Simply, with this example, 1,000 divided by 4 is 250. 250 at this buy limit, 250, 250, 250. Like, we're probably going to hit, this is, like, guys, this is literally live. Like, this will update at 12/9 because today is 12/9. But once that updates, these are the official buy limits for today. So make sure you guys are getting in here. Once your first buy limit is hit, do not move any of the other buy limits down here at all, okay? Keep them where they're at and simply just set your sell limit in your exchange at this green price. Once you guys do that, follow me in the Telegram channel, okay? You guys must be logged in to the actual website, and you need to be logged in personally to your phone or your computer Telegram channel to get access to this, okay? Once you guys click this, this will give you guys a hot link on the next page to join into the Telegram channel where I'm calling exits with the indicators, okay? Very important you guys understand this. The indicators right now are 81% off, and this is where you guys can access them under the indicators tab. This is what I suggest you guys doing. Go ahead and get the individual ones if you want. You'll save 58 to 60%. You guys can use coupon code SAVEMONEY at checkout for these individual indicators. Here's the thing, no coupon code needed. I basically just came in here and gave you guys the rock bottom price for this of 81% off, okay? Make sure you guys are watching this, because here's the point. These are going to go up in price. the price for swell money flow, the trend dashboard, trend exhaustion. If you guys like them, you've seen me call these onto channels before, I'm going to be upping the price of these. So this is going to actually decrease in percentage because it's going up in price, okay? This, however, will be going up in value because this is going to stay the same for this month and probably next month. I might run a Christmas special for maybe like 5 to 7 days. I'm just putting it out there where we might drop this down a little bit more, just being fully transparent. I know businesses don't do that normally. I'm going to do that to let you guys know. But the amount of calls you can make between now and Christmas time with these, I believe you guys will far more than make your money up with all this. We literally have guys in here doing $20,000 in here with these two indicators alone with cryptos and stocks. We've had other people in here do about $7,000 with the indicators and our metrics. This bundle pack is so cheap based off what you guys are able to get from it as far as saving you guys money and making money that here's the thing, guys. Just get the bundle pack today. You guys will get all 9 of our indicators. And so instead of getting 3, you guys will get 6 more on top of this. So you will actually get 9. You guys, you get the source code for life. If I ever go out of business or if I die, you guys actually end up getting these source codes for life and nobody can take these indicators away from you. The power that these hold based off helping us never lose a trade ever, they're yours for life. That is why they're so powerful and a lot of people are picking them up because they're like, I don't care, like if Travis goes out of business or something like that someday or something happens to him, I want to snag these so I can always have them because clearly they're working. That's why people are getting the bundle pack. And I have also coded indicators for you guys for stocks and cryptos and Forex as well. So click this and look at what you guys get. It's actually really, really cool. I've coded indicators for a living. I've even had the COO and CMO of TradingView.com, like TradingView.com. Okay, guys, these guys have actually come out to me and they're like, we want to purchase your indicators for our platform because they like them so much. I didn't go through with the deal. I said I want to keep them for my members. I respectfully decline. I love you guys. TradingView is absolutely awesome, is basically what I told them. Okay, so you guys can snag these here, get them 81% off. I'm sorry I went longer into that than normal, but I wanted to give you guys a full update of what those are and why I think it's a really good buy. Okay, watch this. I do believe, guys, as we're wrapping up this video, I'm just taking a quick moment to step back here and look at the charts. Looking at this, I really do feel that XRP is going to start seeing a drop here. If this does continue up, I want you guys to be very careful if you FOMO, like please don't FOMO in, use the buy limits. Like if this starts moving back up, this can create divergence. And I'm going to end this video here. If it starts moving up here and we start seeing something like this happen where we see this a lot, where we see the trend exhaustion and price for swell money flow moving down, guys, this is how we can call drops in the market. And I would be watching for a fast drop. It's already happening on Ethereum. And we already called this drop over here, which I was looking at yesterday. Look at this trend exhaustion moving down as well as the well money flow high and price action started to move up here. This is a bull trap to the upside. And this is how you can call the drop. And we are already getting it today. Don't be fooled by these manipulation schemes that the big institutions do, trying to get you guys on the wrong side, stop hunting you, all that. Forget that. Let it go. Use these indicators because these are what, honestly, some of the institutions and whales are using now because they're trading with us and they're seeing this and they're like, oh my gosh, we got to get out of the market before everyone else. And they sell their positions to get into to really good trades with buy limits. And buy limits are what I want you guys to be doing today. So guys, set up your membership over here because this is going up in price, okay? Officially saying it's like we are going to be looking to up the price of this, okay? You guys also want to get into the live trades where you guys can set up all your buy limits for any of our coins. Obviously, Ripple's right here. Make sure you guys are also getting into the Telegram channel and you guys have the indicators set up. Once you do that, follow me over here, guys. We're going to try to go 100 for 100 wins before the end of the month. And then I'll keep you guys updated with this, but make sure you're snagging these because I'm going to come out and show you guys how we're calling drops and pops before they happen. And then we're also going to be exiting trades in the profit here pretty soon. If we can see any type of pump up here, guys, back up into the profit for Ethereum, and this drop actually reverses here, we're going to be taking some wins on our other trades here, and we're going to start going closer to that 100 for 100 wins. God bless you guys so much. Have an amazing, amazing day. Get the indicators as well as the membership in the description before that goes up. And make sure you guys are in the Telegram channel. Let's keep making money, and I'll see you guys later. Bye, guys.